Hoi An. Shit. I'm still only in Hoi An. Wait, why am I upside down? Stupid iPhone. When I went home after my last tour, it was worse. I hardly texted a word to my AI girlfriend until she said yes to a breakup. I'm here a month now, trying to find a new tour to review. Getting softer. Every minute I stay in this room, I lose subscribers. And every minute an influencer posts more videos, they get more views. Each time I look at my analytics, the numbers drop a little further. I wanted a tour, and for my sins, it came to me, like an annoying Facebook ad popping into my feed. It was a real choice tour, and when it was over, I never wanted another one. I took the tour. What the hell else was I gonna do? I was to travel through the Bai Mao forest in a coconut boat, a bamboo vessel, a pretty common sight in these waters. They said it would be a good way to see the area, and that was okay. I needed the air and the time. The only problem was I wouldn't be alone. There was Han, the chief. It might have been my tour, but it sure as shit was the chief's boat. I was going to tell everyone how much fun I had, how the views were breathtaking, how this tour was a must-do. Oh man, the bullshit piled up so fast on YouTube, you needed wings to stay above it. Wait, is that fucking Gangnam Style? Being a travel YouTuber is like being a timeshare salesman. It was a way we had of living with ourselves. We'd tell people how amazing other places are so they can escape their shithole lives. It was a lie, and the more I saw of them, the more I hated lies. The end was close, real close. I couldn't see it yet, but I could feel it. As if the boat were being sucked upriver and the water was flowing back into the jungle. They were going to make me a YouTube partner for this, and I wasn't even part of their fucking platform anymore. Shit, what the hell am I doing with my life? I got off the boat.